This video, I'll show you how to set up pickup location. So for example, you can see this is a website I've designed, urishops.co.uk, and I'm on the checkout page. So you will see here ship. So to ship, the person can put the name, address, everything. Yeah. So they can go ahead and make the payment if they don't want the item to be delivered. Let's say, for example, they are 10-minute walk, or they prefer to pick it up in the location. You can have like pickup location, right? So this is the pickup location, and I set up the pickup location address already, 112 London Road. So it's free. I'll show you how to set up your pickup location on your account. So that's essentially the pickup location I've already set up. If the customer prefer to pick up the item at the location, you can set up pickup location. They can buy and then come and pick it up. And then you will see here pickup location, and then I have the address, but I will show you how to set it up. And now, the second thing I want to show you is to show you how to set up cash on delivery, check payment, and direct bank transfer. So these ones are different payment methods. Like in some countries, these payment methods are very useful because the banking system is not yet advanced, or the online payment system is not that really advanced. So things like direct bank transfer, check payment, and cash on delivery, they are very useful in some countries. Okay, you've seen an example where the customer can select pickup location, right, to come and pick up the item. And in most cases, the shipping is free. So you can set it up on your WooCommerce dashboard. I'm going to walk you through the details now on how to do that. And then the second thing I'll show you is how to set up cash deposit, direct bank transfer, and check payment. So those free payment methods, in some countries, they are very useful. In Cameroon, for example, like a country in Africa like Cameroon, Nigeria, a lot of people use mobile money transfer. People who live there, they understand more. It's different from internet banking. Yeah, so it is sort of like a mobile money transfer where you have your wallet. You can do a transfer to someone about a specific payment. So that's like a sort of a payment system people use abroad. So okay, let's go now, and then I'll walk you through the details. On save. So here for local pickups, and if I click here on local pickups, enable local pickup here, for example, title pickup, add the price for customer who choose local pickup now is free. By default, the local pickup method is free. Yes, leave it free. When you add a pickup location, it will appear here. Add a pickup location. I'll add the pickup location, and that's it, right? So if people like to pick up in a specific location, that's where they should pick up, right? You should leave it there and then press here on save changes. Now let's go to payment. Take offline payments. So this one is, so let's just enable it for now. I wouldn't set up this one because there are lots of fake checks around. So I would not set up that one. If I click on enable that one, let's just enable anyway. Bank account, like payment transfer through bank account, that one is also viable. And let's just reload the page here and see what's going to show us now. So now I have other payment option here at the bottom. So and here on cash on delivery, let's just click on cash on delivery for now. You can change the message here, cash on delivery, pay with cash upon delivery. That's fine. Ideally, I'll leave that message. It's fine. Let's just leave the way it is now and just go back to our area here. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video instrumental, please type useful in the description down below. I would like to hear your interactions. So just type useful or type thank you. That's essentially all I need from you, really. If you do have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than willing to answer your questions. And yeah, so stay tuned. I have a lot more videos I post on a weekly basis about business related WordPress or website or web design related. So check out my channel for future content. I'll see you next time. Take care.